bitch.
Can you stop hitting me?
No, this is the highlight of the day. Just fucking whatever with your name.
Yeah, because you took too long.
Stupid.
It's not my fault.
It is your fault. You knew we had plans today, you stupid ass whore, and you just took your ass time.
No, you told me to take my time.
Okay, that sounds weird, guys. Don't do that. You're harmonizing the guy.
Ah, bitch!
What you gonna do? Fuck.
Don't touch me!
Come on.
Hey, remember that video that Natalie put? She said Milo always sits on the top, and then she showed that little the side of the can, and it showed the.
Oh.
Hold up. You're right back.
Are you mad now? Mad?
I'm just really still annoyed with you. Stupid ass Christine. You're stupid.
Stupid.
Stevie. I'm Christine. I like to suck big balls. I have no life either.
It's not sitting on the fucking top. Natalie lied. Put it. Send it to Natalie. See what she says about it.
Who's Natalie?
It's not on the top.
I don't get it.
She always said the Milo sits on the top.
What do you mean?
It clumps up in the top.
Oh.
Look at it.
You mean when you stir?
It's mixed in with the milk.
Talking about that picture in the bottom?
All the pictures, whatever.
I'd rather just buy it like when it's already made. Stupid.
Bitch, I'm a...
At least I'm no whore also.
What are you talking about?
Bitch ass whore.
Slut?
Thanks.
I'd rather be a slut than a whore.
I would rather be all those things except for being Christine.
Yeah.
Ah! Shut up!
Shut up! Are you gonna cry now?
Yeah.
Good.
I wanna cry because
Mean little pussy.